we are putting it out. Sorry if my glasses reflection, I don't know. I should just take these off. We'll do this. Okay, this is better. So I hope everyone's well. I hope everyone's safe. I wanted to do this quick video on how to keep your lips nice and smooth and hydrated and moisturized pretty much. So I'm gonna do a really quick tutorial with a few products that I just love and I think you guys would love too. This literally can take less than like 5 minutes in the morning, afternoon, night, and you would only have to do this a couple times out of the week. Let's get started. There are a few things you want to keep in mind when you want your lips to be moisturized, looking plush, looking nice. You need to be hydrated. So you can do all the fun things in the world. You can go buy every lip scrub. You can always moisturize your lips with like lip gloss and lip balm, but you need to drink water or drink fluids, and you should be drinking at least, oh my gosh, I want to say 8 ounces, but that's not right. There's a calculator, I believe, on Google, and you can put your weight in, and then you see how much fluid ounces you need, and you can do that, so you know how much water to drink. I typically, just to be on the safe side, drink about 3 liters of water a day, and I have like a liter water bottle, and I just keep refilling it. Just make sure you're drinking your water. You need to stay hydrated. The second is you need to incorporate some kind of lip care. So that's either like wearing lip gloss or lip balm to keep your lips moisturized. Another thing is you want to exfoliate your lips, which I'm going to show in a few, and to get off the dead skin, to also activate like the blood vessels in your lips, which if you're looking for a little bit more of a pout, that will help a lot too. So you want to exfoliate, get that dead skin off. You want to massage the area so that blood vessels grow and make new lip skin cells, I guess what it's called. But you want to do that. You also don't want to pick at your lips. You don't want to bruise them. Take care of them. Just take care of them. Well, I'm going to jump really quickly into the lip care routine. And here we go. So the first thing you want to do is have a lip scrub, and there's so many lip scrubs you can choose from. A good thing to keep in mind is you want to be careful what you're putting on your lips and on your body. So there's a lot of harsh chemicals, drying chemicals that a lot of companies like to use as preservatives and stuff, which is very dangerous because again, you'll get dry skin, dry lips, and nobody really wants that. I'm going to be using an all-natural product, which is the lip scrubs from Cosmetics. This is in the mint flavor, so it smells like mint, made of 100% organic products, which is awesome. So we're not putting any harsh chemicals, and it has all natural oils. So these oils are very important. They will help with your lip. It locks in the moisture, so we want to do that. So first you want to wet your lips from the sink. You just put some water just so that you can help with the process. You're gonna take your lip scrub. This is my mint one. There's a lot of different nice and good smelling flavors that Cosmetics has, which is awesome. They have like a birthday cake, which I probably should have used, but whatever. They have a birthday cake. They have raspberries. They have orange, lemon cake, pineapple, coconut, and the coconut one is to die for. That's one of the best sellers. So anyway, we're gonna use the mint smelling one. I can already smell it. Okay, I'm just gonna open it, and that's what it looks inside. It's like light green. And every lip scrub comes with a lip applicator, if you can see it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and these jars are like really big. And for the price, it's really good too. But I'm just gonna take my lip applicator and just get a little. You only need like this much. I'm just gonna come closer. Like, look how small that is. You don't need a lot. Because I'm not doing this in the bathroom, I'm gonna use this as a tray. And so I'm gonna come closer so you can see, sorry, TMI. Oh, it fell. So when you have your product on, you're gonna you want to gently go in circles with your applicator and just scrub away like any dead cells. You don't want to go crazy. You just want to go a little bit. You can let it sit for a little bit to let the oil seep in and all of that. I'm gonna go wash it off camera, and when you wash it off, you just wanna nicely, again with the circle motions, and just rinse it off. So I'll be right back. I washed off the lip scrub, and I'm just gonna take this paper and just lightly pat. We don't wanna rub. Oh. And then our lips look cleaner already. Look how nice and soft. I wish you guys could feel, but this is so nice. So after you do your lip scrub and you wash it off, you want to apply some hydrating lip gloss. That's my favorite. So what I'm going to use is the Birthday Cake lip gloss from Haru Cosmetics. So cute. It has real sprinkles in it. It also has a little bit of a shimmer too, which is nice. So I'm going to put it on. I don't know if you could see the shimmer, but this is the gloss. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial of the lip care. It's really nice. At these times that are so crazy, just taking like 10 minutes just to give to yourself, to do like a little lip care routine, or your makeup, or like your hair, or something to, you know, just take care of yourself. The products I use today are from Haru Cosmetics. It is a cosmetic business that has vegan and naturally made lip scrubs, lip oils, lip glosses, even jewelry, and body frostings, which is really cool. If you guys want to support my business, you can go to the website. It's www.harucosmetics.com. I'll leave a link down below. If it's your first time purchasing and you subscribe to the email list, you'll get 15% off on your first purchase, which is awesome. Who doesn't love that? And they have some sales going on right now and some discounted products, just to, you know, bring a smile to you guys' faces. So if you guys have any questions, comments, like definitely comment down below, like what lip care do you do? Do you even do lip care? What lip glosses, lip stuff that you like? I hope you liked this video. Definitely subscribe, please. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.